Crystal chakra healing is an ancient practice. It uses crystals to balance energy centers in the body. These energy centers are called chakras. Crystals have unique vibrations. These vibrations can align with and influence our own energy. This can promote healing and well-being. Imagine a stream flowing freely. This is like balanced energy in the body. Now, picture a blockage in the stream. This is like a blocked chakra. Crystal healing helps to remove those blockages and restore the natural flow. Crystal healing works gently and effectively. It is a complementary therapy. This means it can be used alongside conventional medicine. It does not replace traditional medical treatments. Crystal healing offers a wide range of benefits. It can promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Crystals can help reduce stress and anxiety. They can also improve sleep and boost energy levels. Emotionally, crystals can help us process difficult emotions. They can encourage self-love and acceptance. Some crystals can enhance creativity and intuition. Crystals can also support spiritual growth. They can facilitate deeper meditation and connect us to our intuition. Each crystal has unique properties. These properties can address specific needs. There are 7 main chakras in the body. Each chakra is associated with a specific color and location. Here are a few examples. Root chakra, red, grounding and stability. Garnet and black tourmaline are good for this chakra. Sacral chakra, orange. Creativity and passion. Carnelian and orange calcite are beneficial. Solar plexus chakra, yellow. Personal power and confidence. Citrine and tiger's eye are powerful. Heart chakra, green. Love and compassion. Rose quartz and green aventurine are ideal. Throat chakra, blue. Communication and truth. Sodalite and blue lace agate are helpful. Third eye chakra, indigo. Intuition and insight. Amethyst and lapis lazuli are powerful. Crown chakra, violet. Connection to the divine. Clear quartz and selenite are beneficial. Section 4. Beginning your crystal healing journey. Starting with crystal healing is simple and accessible. Begin by choosing crystals that resonate with you. You can do this by holding a crystal in your hand. Notice how it makes you feel. Cleanse your crystals before using them. You can do this by placing them under running water or leaving them in moonlight. Once your crystals are cleansed, you can start using them. A simple way to use crystals is to meditate with them. Hold a crystal in each hand or place them on your body. Focus on your breath and the energy of the crystals. You can also carry crystals with you throughout the day. Keep them in your pocket or wear them as jewelry. Section 5. Embrace the power within. Crystal healing is a powerful tool for self-discovery and transformation. It can help us connect with our inner wisdom and live a more balanced and fulfilling life. As you embark on your crystal healing journey, remember to trust your intuition. Be open to the subtle energies of the crystals. With practice and an open heart, you can harness the power of crystals to enhance your well-being. Explore the world of crystals and discover the transformative power they hold.